From the Union. The current status of the Union, the reset and rebuilding strategy for 2026-2031. The Namibia Rugby Union is currently navigating a transition phase following the conclusion of the Rugby World Cup 27 qualification cycle. The Union confirms that Namibia did not qualify for the Rugby World Cup 2027. As a result, World Rugby High Performance Funding, which is linked to participation in the World Cup 2027, has been adjusted in line with the applicable funding framework. This change in funding has required the Union to reassess its high-performance structures and overall financial planning to ensure sustainability and alignment with available resources. The Namibia Rugby Union recognizes the heightened public interest and commentary surrounding recent development within the Union. The NRU affirms that its governance and executive structures remain in place and fully operational, and that the Union continues to function in accordance with its constitutional, regulatory and international obligations. As part of the post-qualification review and funding realignment process, changes have occurred within the Union high-performance environment. These developments followed the conclusion of the World Rugby World Cup qualification cycle and the associated adjustment of high-performance funding. The NRU emphasizes that these matters arose from broader structural and funding considerations rather than individual or performance-related issues. The NRU wishes to place on record that all engagements during the process have been conducted professionally and in good faith. The Union remains committed to respectful, transparent and constructive relationships with all coaches and technical personnel as it enters the rebuilding phase. Operational continuity has been maintained, and the NRU confirms that it remains compliant with all its national and international obligations. In parallel with these developments, the Union has completed an internal review of its governance structures, operational systems, high-performance environment, competitions, development pathways, and financial position. The review highlighted the need for structural strengthening to support long-term growth, sustainability, and comparative relevance, while also confirming the strong foundation provided by the Namibia's rugby community, athletes and stakeholders. The Union acknowledges calls from the rugby community for increased engagement, clarity and communication. As part of the reset and rebuilding strategy, the NRU is strengthening its governance and reporting and stakeholder communication processes to support transparency, accountability and trust across the rugby ecosystem. The NRU Reset and Rebuilding Strategy 2026-2031 represents a deliberate shift from short-term performance-dependent models towards long-term sustainability, institutional resilience and comparative relevance. The strategy is the outcome of a structured internal review and planning process informed by international best practice and aligned with World Rugby framework. It is built on 5 integrated pillars. Number 1, governance and leadership and institutional reform. 2, financial sustainability and commercial growth. 3, high performance and national pathway rebuild. 4, competition and participation growth. 5, development, transformation and community impact. Looking ahead, the Namibia Rugby Union acknowledges the recent outcomes represents a challenging period for both the Union and the broader rugby community. However, the NRU remains firmly committed to a disciplined, transparent and measured rebuilding process. The 2026 and 2031 period will focus on institutional stabilization, sustainable commercial growth, aligned development pathways, and progressive performance improvement over successive competition cycles. The NRU continues to engage with its members, partners, sponsors, and stakeholders to ensure program continuity and to safeguard opportunities for players' development during the rebuilding phase. The NRU thanks the members, partners, and supporters for their continued commitment and support during this important period of renewal and rebuilding. Thank you.